In this video, we are taking a closer look at the CarPlay Pad, a smart in-car upgrade system that instantly adds a 4K wireless display to your car and makes your car a smart car. This 4K dash cam system can be operated using a gesture or by using a voice command. Let's see the top 10 things about this smart system and understand it even better. Number 1, the system runs on a true automotive-grade processor that is designed especially for the vehicle. As a result, you get a faster and quicker response, better stability, and efficient power use. You can easily switch between apps, open navigation, and even load your car camera feed with no lag. Number 2, the device supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No need to carry an extra cable or anything. Your apps, music, maps, calls, and voice assistants will be connecting instantly when your car starts. Number 3, apart from CarPlay and Android Auto, this smart car accessory also supports AirPlay and Miracast. This allows you to mirror videos, photos, and even games from your phone directly onto the large display, which makes this device an all-rounder. Number 4, the screen is touchscreen, but the coolest thing is that it supports gesture control. The touch display supports 19 different gestures, which make common tasks such as zoom, swipe, and scroll navigation easy without distracting a driver from driving. This kind of gesture control helps do certain frequent tasks quickly and naturally. Number 5, gesture control is not only the coolest feature, but it also has a voice command feature which supports voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. Using this, you can easily make a call, set your final destination, adjust music, and even ask a question hands-free without even looking away from the road. Number 6, in the front you get a 4K dash cam, and in the rear you get a 1080p cam. The front camera can record in 4K resolution, capturing the clear details of the road ahead, whereas a rear 1080p camera will be useful to you while reversing your car or to provide additional driving evidence. It also includes hot swappable storage with a pre-installed 32GB card storage. Number 7, the CarPlay Pad has a high-brightness BO LED panel with strong anti-glare performance. Because of that, you can clearly see your screen, even if there is harsh sunlight outside or you are driving at night. Plus, with the ambient light adaptive mode enabled, the built-in light sensor can automatically adjust the brightness and contrast based on your environment. Number 8, the device also has multiple audio output options. You can output favorite music audio through built-in stereo speakers, an FM transmitter, Bluetooth, or AUX input. There is no limitation or barrier if you want to enjoy music on the go. Number 9, the smart device also has an emergency G-sensor recording. If the system detects any sudden impact, the G-sensor will automatically lock and save the video clips so they cannot be overwritten. This is a very useful feature as it helps preserve crucial recording evidence. Number 10, installing this smart system on your car is easy and non-destructive. It comes with both a quick-release bracket and a vacuum suction mount. Using either of the one-methods, you can install this system, which is fast, stable, and doesn't damage your dashboard or windshield. These are the top 10 things about these cool gadgets. If you want to investigate further or want to know more about this smart car accessory, you can find a link in the description. Finally, share this video, and to know more such interesting gadgets, consider subscribing to our channel.